Happy moment for us. Anyway, an apple a day, we said it last time. When the doctor is beautiful, we also said that last time. And today we are telling you we went to Kilifi and back to our county. And our edition this week is about the 11 months grafted apple tree that we did 11 months ago. Today is just to show you that it has started fruiting.
There are some key things you need to consider when after grafting your apple tree so that it can start fruiting early. And some key things are: one, you need to train your tree for branching purposes because you want where your fruits will be forming. You want the branch to be strong so that it can carry as many fruits as possible. So after some months, like 2 to 3 months, you need to tip the top part so that it allows branching. That is number one. If you don't do that, your tree will grow in a central leader, and then the fruiting will be so minimal also at the same time. That is one key. Another thing you need to manage disease, pest and diseases. So your trees should be free from pest and diseases because when it is affected, it is not going to grow very quickly. Another thing you also need to check is about nutrition of the tree because if the nutrition is also poor, um, the tree will not perform very well. So once those things we do them, we also visit people farms so that we can educate you more on how to do them, on how to prune, on how to treat your trees, on how to give your tree the right nutrition. So you can see us and then we can be helping you to do that. To have an amazing tree like this one. This is 11 months old right now. Yep.
Branching continue after 1 feet ahead.
Yeah, branching.
Branching after 1 feet,
Oh,
another
sijaongelea?
branch.
Okay. So when you're grafting an apple tree, you need to make sure it is above 1 feet or 2 feet from the ground. Okay. So when you do that, the grafting area is above 1 feet. The next thing you need to do is that above that uh, 1 feet or 2 feet is that you allow it to grow almost half a feet and then you cut it at the top. It's called tipping. You do this, you cut it that way at the top so that in these apple trees have where the leaves or the branches come from, the bands. Okay, so the bands are the one which removes branches, and also they are the one which removes branches which are going to start fruiting. So you need to cut them at a slanting manner because if you don't cut it at slanting manner, it is going to be affected. Your tree can be affected by fungicide or by rain. So you need to cut it in a slanting manner, and in that way it will help start branching at early stage because when you apple fruit trees start branching in early stage, it means that the prosperity of the tree is guaranteed.
Oh, finish malo. Yes. Now, as I said, 9 months you got a tree that is fruiting. From us, from J Kusenga, we are giving you tips on how to ensure your tree flowers in 9 months. This is 11 months and we have an apple.